Explorers of the Age of Sail wove epic tales across the globe. Valiant sailors challenged the vast, unpredictable oceans. Adventurers sought new routes to distant lands. Driven by curiosity and ambition, they set sail fearlessly. Navigators utilized the stars as their guiding reference. Throughout perilous journeys, they encountered unknown civilizations. Shipborne life required resilience and adaptability. Explorers faced storms with unwavering courage, often tales retold. The discovery of new lands expanded European influence globally. Tales of exotic goods excited economies and imaginations. Misadventures proved the endurance of the human spirit. Path-breaking journeys reshaped political and cultural landscapes. These explorers mapped uncharted territories with precision. Their narratives influenced tales of heroism and bravery. Challenges included navigating complex political landscapes abroad. Some explorers formed alliances with indigenous people. Many expeditions depended on the insight of local guides. Stories of adventure became legendary, captivating multitudes. Navigators improved sea travel technology with innovative tools. Mapping innovations transformed sea travel and trade routes. Vessels became faster, stronger, and more efficient. These voyages often involved great personal sacrifice. Heroics and hardships defined the sailor's life at sea. Sailors returned home harboring incredible tales to tell. Each explorer left a unique mark on history. Their legacies endured through generations of storytellers. Bravery and exploration inspired future generations of travelers. The Age of Sail unlocked boundaries and created new connections. This era's spirit of exploration persisted through centuries. The world's horizons expanded beyond imagination during this time. Explorers of the Age of Sail truly shaped the modern world.